pressure releases the treasure in you. Abia neighbor. Pressure releases the treasure in you. And you do like this. And lift your hands up like this. Okay?
Yes.
Pick 5 oranges at Quickmart.
Yes.
They are costing 100 shilling. Each 25. There are 4 oranges. And you tell the owner, I am very thirsty. I needed you squeeze them for me so that I can take juice. So press. What do you get?
Yes.
How much do you think you are going to pay them?
5.
And what was the cost of the oranges?
100.
Where did the value come from? Abia neighbor. Be management okay. And it's value in. Anytime you are put under pressure, they are adding value in you. They are not demeaning you, okay? They are adding value in. And unfortunately, what we have very pressure. And that's why we have been eating our oranges when they are low.
I did.
Oh my.
Handed Bob. Sitatuta tutaizili unashida kwa misa Jova na kusifu milele. Jia sitatuta tutaizili. Oh, you are targeting me kununua skavita. Mwingine tu ni haka kagari kana kwamba kwa bigiji vits na anashinda. Na kuishia mwenyewe. Kuishia mwenyewe. Tani ya bela usiangalie mtu na wala